I'm on the 18th of La Manga West course in Alicante on a bit of a golfing break with my friend John, and I felt that the 18th hole, which by the way, I don't know if you can see it behind me, but it's about to eat me alive like the rest of this course has. It's been great fun, but my score's been terrible. And I wanted to shoot a video to share a perspective based on a conversation that I had last night with John, which was about creating the possibility of what you actually want to do with your life. And I kind of had like a massive realization about the way that I've been looking at my goals and the future and what I want to create. And if you've been watching my stuff recently, it's all been about like, you know, purpose and vision and happiness and really getting clear about what it is that you want to do with your life. And something that I hadn't realized that I've still been doing is that I've been looking at the future of what I can create in my life based on what I've already done so far. So for example, you know, a lot of what I've done has been about online business and personal development and all the kind of stuff that's on this YouTube channel. Click subscribe if you haven't already. And I've realized that I've been looking at my future through the lens of I can do anything I want as long as it's in line with online business or personal growth and the kind of stuff that I talk about anyway. And I've really been limiting the future that I can create and what I want to step into. And what's been missing, like big time, in everything that I've been trying to figure out is any sense of like excitement and, you know, that feeling where you just can't wait to get out of bed in the morning, where you're on fire and you're lit up and you're passionate about what it is that you're doing. And I haven't really felt that truly for quite a long time. You know, I've been doing what I'm doing and I enjoy what I do, but it's just been missing that, like, you know, that extra spark or zest or whatever you call it. And this conversation with John, it helped me realize that I've been looking at the future through the lens of just doing more of the same kind of stuff. It's not really like a brand new exciting challenge. It's not an exciting adventure. And just having the awareness to go, oh, you know what, I'm looking at my future based on my current reality. I'm looking at it based on what I already do, and therefore that's going to dictate what I can do in my future. And that was like draining a lot of the potential excitement. And so now what I'm really starting to try and dial into and get clear about is, if I literally was no one and I had no past and I had done nothing up until this point, what would I do? Like, who would I be? Instead of being chained to this expectation that I've created for myself and also what I think people think that I should do, which is, oh, it's got to be to do with online business and it's got to be to do with personal development and that kind of stuff, which is not the case. Like, we're all free to create and do and be anything that we want to be. And so, you know, this has been a great trip to take some time out and really reflect on this kind of stuff. And, you know, just another little top tip is it's really important to take time out of your schedule, to get out of your environment. And it's only when you do that that you can start thinking about this kind of stuff more creatively. So I wanted to share that with you before I carry on and finish my round and do this terrible score which I'm about to put down. But yeah, I wanted to share that perspective with you because it's been really powerful, really profound. And just, if you can look at your future, look at what it is that you want to create, but through a lens that is truly nothing to do with what you've already done or what you think you're good at or what you think you're capable of, that's when you can start to tap into like that, you know, that fire, that excitement and that drive that ultimately is going to push you to achieve more than you could ever achieve without it. All right, so thanks very much for watching. I really hope this has been valuable. If you've got perspectives to share or other things that you've done that have really helped you with this, you know, this kind of thing, please comment below and share. And also click subscribe and then click the little notification bell beside it. And every time I do videos like this, whether it's just from my, you know, office at home or whether it's from places which are a little bit more, you know, nicer to look at, I regularly do content like this to help on the personal growth side of things. All right, so thanks so much, really appreciate it, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now.